Thing will pay 100% attention. The most important math from 1B, 11, new. See question number 1, 2, 1. Left hand side is equal to here 1, 1, 1. Very easy and simple math. 1, 1, 1. A, B, C. Then is A cube, B cube, C cube. A cube, B cube, C cube. This is our left hand side, right? What should we do? Very easy and simple. That day, what I told, can you please remember? We are lucky if we get 1, 1, 1, right? Because if we subtract, we will get 0. If we subtract, we will get 0. That day I told you that we are really lucky if we get anywhere 1, 1, 1. So we can make 2 zeros in a row or in a column. So then what should we do, dear students? You see, now this is the first row, first column, second column, third column. This is column 1, this is column 2, and this is column 3. We are going to subtract from column to column. So if we subtract second column from first column, 1 minus 1, you see what I'm going to do. 0. A minus B. Is it? Then A cube minus B cube. Can you please talk to me?
Yes, sir.
What I have done here? I have subtracted column 2 from column 1, right? Okay. Now we again subtract 1 minus 1, 0. B minus C. Then B cube minus C cube. Then the third column will be kept as it is. You see here what you are getting. What the operation we have done here? The operation is, you see, column 1, this is new column 1, has been obtained by subtracting the second column from the first column. I have subtracted the second column from the first column, as well as column 2 has been obtained by subtracting column 3 from column 2. Column 2 minus column 3. I think you have got it right.
Yes, sir.
Now, what we see, you try to understand. If we consider, we are going to multiply along the entries of the first row. So if we multiply by 0, everything will be 0. I mean, if we take 0, that means what? This and this will be omitted. So with 0, anything is multiplied, everything is 0. Same for this 0. So actually, we are left with, you see, my dear students, we are left with what? We are left with 1, right? We are left with what? We are left with only this one. Have you seen? We are left with this one. So I'm going to
Yes,
take
sir.
one. I'm going to take this one. So what comes? This and this will be omitted. So we are left with this. And here we are getting B minus C and B cube minus C cube. Now you see your math has been very easy. Now it is really very easy for you because you did a lot of maths on this in class 9 and 10. Now you take common. You see here, I can take common A minus B from the first column. From the first column, what can be taken common? A minus B. Can you see? And from the second column, what can be taken common? B minus C. If I take A minus B common from the first, then 1, Then what we'll get here? We'll get a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. Can you see the board? For us, you cannot see the board. No, you cannot.
Sir.
After that, you cannot, you'll fail to see. Now, I'm going to do the math at the top. Okay, you see here we get a minus b common, and here b minus c. Then we are left with 1, and here a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, we'll be left here with 1, and here b square plus bc plus c square. Just let me know, is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's good. You know, this is the most important math in this exercise. Every time, every year, this math is given in the exam because this is a basic math. Okay, now you multiply it. That is what? B square plus BC plus C squared. Then, let me know then, minus, let me know, A square minus AB minus B square. Actually, we are done, you know. What should we do? Go to class 6 and 7. What you did there? Can you remember? We see B square and B minus B square will be omitted. Okay. In this exercise, you will give emphasis on the part where you will get the formula of A square minus B square. Where we get it? A square minus B square. You see, we get here C square minus A square, right? C is here first. Now we are left with this and this part. Where C is first? BC. Write down BC minus AB. I have rearranged, okay, the term, okay? Rearranged just to put it into formula. A minus B, then B minus C. Have you seen? Then I have to show it to you because you don't know perhaps. C plus A, C minus A. Then here B can be taken common. Then we are left with C minus A. Now can I write A minus B, B minus C, then C minus A, then A plus B plus C is equal to our required right hand side. This is normal calculation that you can do very well, and you can do it better than me. Please talk to me. If you have failed anywhere to do, to understand, to get, please. As you are not talking,
Sir.
okay, it's okay. Thank you. Now I'm going to another math. Okay, question number 2. 2. PQ, PP. You see, it is given P, P, P. Very easy and simple, okay? And it is given ABC. A, B, C. Now it is given B plus C, C plus A, B plus C, C plus A, then A plus B. This math can be done in 5 ways. How many ways? 5 ways. Before going to this math, I can tell you one thing. Suppose it is A, 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 it is P, suppose Q, it is R. We see in this determinant, we see two columns same, right?
Sir, 0 হবে sir.
Yes, you're right. If we see in a determinant two columns or two rows, here two rows are same. That means its result is 0. Okay, its result is 0. We can prove it that how it can be 0 if we go for doing normal procedure. By normal procedure, this minus this 0, this minus this 0, this minus this 0, this minus this 0. So everything you will get multiplication by 0, then it is 0. Or if we get 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, it is 5, 6, 7. What we are getting here? We are getting here two columns having same. This is, oh, I'm sorry here, excellent, sorry. This is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. These two columns are same, right? Have you seen? That means a formula you can write down. Okay, you can write down a formula. Any determinant having, write down all of you, having two rows or the option is or two columns same is 0. Very easy and simple statement. That means if you see two columns or two rows same, then the result is 0. It's okay. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I told you this math can be done in 5 ways, and I can do this math in 5 ways, but I'll show you the easiest way. At first, you see every element, it is P, A, B, C. It is P, A, B, C. It is P, A, B, C. Have you seen? Have you seen here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So I am keeping P, P, P. I am keeping A, B, C. Can I write here? P plus A plus B plus C. Can I write here? P plus A plus B plus C. Can I write here? P plus A plus B plus C. What I've done here? It is column 3. It is not row. It is column 3. Column 3 has been written. Column 3, new column 3 has been written by the summation of column 2, column 1, and column 3. Please try to understand. Column 3 has been written as the sum of the first, second, and third columns of the previous determinant. I think you have got it. Now, dear students, this math is done now. Okay, I have tried my level best to make it or to do it in the shortest time. You see, from the first column, we can take P common. And from the third column, we can take P into A plus P plus A plus B plus C can be taken common. That means it is 1, 1, 1. It is A, B, C. It is 1, 1, 1. Have you seen that we have two columns same?
Yes, sir.
So our result is, this is 0. So 0 into this equals to 0. Please try to understand. This math would be done in 5 pages. This math would be done in 10 pages. Okay, it depends on the student. For the procedure, she will follow. Talk to me. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I want to give you another math on the same category. You see that question number 3 of 2, same category. Okay, that left hand side it is, and I know that all of you can do it. 3, 3, 3. Okay, and this is A, B, C, A, B, C, and it is B plus C, it is C plus A, and it is A plus B. Can you do this math within 1 minute? Answer is 0. Please do it within 1 minute. Same math that I did. Same math. You keep the first two columns as it is and do something for column 3 by adding 1 to 3. Actually, what you are getting here, you see, will I do or you will do? 3, 3, 3, A, B, C. Here, what can be written? 3 plus
Sir,
A
कोई zero
plus,
আসেন.
yes, 3 plus A plus B plus C. Only one has done, right? Is it? What the operation can be written here? New column 3 has been written as the sum of column 1, column 2, and column 3. Now it has been very easier for you to take 3 common from the first row and to take common 3 plus A, sorry, to take 3 common from the first column and to take common 3 plus A plus B plus C from the third column. So we are getting 1, 1, 1, A, B, C. Here also 1, 1, 1. Now it is what? 0. So 0 into this equals to what? Answer is 0. Is it?
जी sir.
Now go to question number 4 of 2. You see A square 2A 1, A square 2A 1, AB plus AB, A plus B 1, then B square 2B 1. Perhaps you may be afraid of seeing this math. But my dear students, what I am telling from the very beginning day, from the very beginning of the day, can you please let me know? If we get 1, 1, 1, then we are lucky. Did I tell you? If
Yes,
we get
sir.
1, 1, 1, then we are lucky. That means we can do column to column. First column, second column, third column. So we have to go for subtracting column to column. So that means 1 minus 1, 0. In this way, this minus this. Let me know. A square minus AB equals to what? Can you please tell me? A square minus AB equals to what?
Sir, A into
A,
A minus B.
who are you?
Sir, Farhad.
Oh my God, where are you from? For a long day. I'm sorry that you were absent in my determinant definition of determinant classes. Can you remember?
G sir.
Have you seen the video? No.
না স্যার দেখতে হবে
But
স্যার
you please, because for you just I showed it. Okay, I tried my level best to make the students understand and easy and simple. Definition of determinant. Okay, I request all the students to watch that portion, especially the definition portion of matrix. Okay, because always 2 marks are given from the definition. Always, 2
জি
marks.
স্যার
Okay, okay. A number question is given of 2 marks from the definition. Now you see this minus this. What will we get? A minus B. You see 2A minus A minus B. So we are getting A minus B. Now it is 0. Please talk to me. Now from this
Yes,
AB
sir.
minus B is AB minus B square. Can we take common B? AB minus B square. What can be taken common? Let me know. B can be taken common and we will be left with A minus B. Okay. Now in the same way A plus B minus 2B. That is what? A minus B. And as usual it is 0. Always the third will be kept as it is. Either it is third column or either it is third row. Now, can you please let know what will be the operation that we can write here? Column to column. So column 1 is equal to column 1 minus column 2. Column 2 equals to column 2 minus column 3. Okay. Now you see here, if we consider this 0, all will be 0. If we consider this 0, all will be 0. If we consider 1, here it is positive. So we are going to considering this one. We are going to considering this one now. So this and this will be omitted. So we will be left with, you see, A into A minus B by A minus B. Then B into A minus B by A minus B. Now the math has been very easy. You see, From the first column, I can take A minus B common. From the second column, I can also take A minus B common, right? Then we are left with what? A, B, 1, 1. A, B, 1, 1. Then what will be the last part? A minus B? What will be the last part? Let me know. If I go for multiplying it, we are getting here A minus B whole square. Now it is A into 1A minus B. So our answer is A minus B whole cube, which is our required right hand side. So math is done. Have you done any math from, calculus?
Yes, sir.
Or, okay, trigonometry?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So I am sure that you can do maths of trigonometry. Here is question number 5. That is wholly and fully based on trigonometry. Left hand side. If you don't know the formula, I have given you a screenshot of formula. You can get it from there. 111 cos 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, and it is definitely cos 2 gamma. Alpha, beta, and gamma. It is sine alpha, sine beta, and it is sine gamma. I have told you again and again, don't be afraid of seeing the math. At first, be grateful to God that you have 1 on 1. You have 1, 1, 1, right? So if it is given, then our math is done. And we should not be afraid of seeing the maths. Okay, then what should we do? Let me know. Make math easy. 1 and 1. This is the first row. This is the second row. So we are going to subtract from row to row. So what you are getting? 1 minus 1. That is first row, second row. 1 minus 1. That is 0. First row, second row. That is here. Cosine 2 alpha minus cosine 2 beta. Here it is. Sine alpha minus sine beta. Now 1 minus 1. Again it is 0. Okay. And we are getting here cosine 2 beta, cosine 2 beta minus cosine 2 gamma. I am going to tell you that we are subtracting from row to row. So here sine beta minus sine gamma, sine beta minus sine gamma, and you keep as it is. Third row or third column will be kept as it is. Cos 2 gamma here, sine gamma. We are done. What the operation we have done here? Row 1 is equal to row 1 minus row 2. Row 2 is equal to row 2 minus row 3. These operations have been functioned here. Okay. Talk to me. I have just maintained the subtracting rule from row to row. Nothing else I have done here. Now, as I told you that this 0 all will be 0, this 0 all will be 0, and this is 1. We should know that it is the entry along the diagonal. Entries along the diagonal. So entries along the diagonal is always positive, right? So we are going to take this one. When we will take this one, this and this will be omitted. So we are left with, can you please tell me, cosine 2 alpha minus cosine 2 beta by cosine 2 beta minus cosine 2 gamma. Here sine alpha minus sine beta by sine beta minus sine gamma. It is our math. Now we see the answer. In the answer, we don't have any 2 alpha, 2 beta, 2 gamma. We don't have. In the answer, all are single angle. That is alpha, beta, and gamma. So what should we do? Can you please let me know what should we do? In the answer, we don't have K, no to alpha, no to beta, but in the answer, we have this format. So we can do one thing from here. You can see, we can do this into this. That means cosine 2 alpha minus cosine 2 beta into sine beta minus sine gamma minus cosine 2 beta minus cosine 2 gamma, okay, into sine alpha minus sine beta. It is our math now. Okay. Now, can you please calculate what is the formula of cos D minus cos C? Who can tell me? Here the formula number 12 in my sheet. Cos D, write down the formula. Cos D minus cos C. Who can tell here? He is the best or she is the best. Cos D minus cos C. Farhan Ishaq. You have done it. A lot of maths you have done. For your
Sir, sir,
kind information, in my other class, I have done 7.2 to 7.7. Okay. I
yes, sir.
request you all to go through this video. Okay. Then you will
Yes,
come
sir.
to know. If you go through this video, then it will be very easier for you, especially 7.7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This chapter is the most important. Anyway, cos D minus cos C.
Sir,
What is the
2
formula?
sine C plus D, 2 C plus D by 2 into sine C
2
minus D
sine
by 2
C plus D by 2
into sine C minus D by 2.
into sine C minus D by 2. Very good. Thank you very much. So this is the formula, cos D minus cos C. Now, can you please tell me which one is D and which one is C here? You see cos D, so it is D. It is D and it is C. Okay. So can we put the value here? I am going to do here 2 sine C plus D. C is what? This is C. C plus D. C plus D by 2. Then let me know sine. What is C here? 2 beta is C. C minus D by 2. C minus D by 2. I have just put the formula. Nothing else I did. Now we are getting here this into this. We don't have any functioning on this because in the answer we have this. Have you got me? In the answer we have this format. Sine beta minus sine gamma. One of the answer. Sine beta minus sine gamma. Hello. Now you see this is minus. You just put the value cos D minus cos C. 2 sine C plus D. This is C plus D. C plus D by 2. Okay. C plus D by 2. Then sine C minus D by 2. Okay. Into here we can give here bracket sign or we cannot give. It is immaterial. Into. If I write, can you see the board? Perhaps not. Into, you see, into sine alpha minus sine beta. Okay. Now what we are getting here, you see, 2 sine, it is 2 sine, 2 will be omitted. So we are getting alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. And here we are getting sine beta minus alpha. Okay, here it is sine beta minus sine gamma. Okay, now it is what? Again, it is minus 2 sine, you see, gamma or beta plus gamma sine gamma minus beta into sine alpha minus sine beta. Now, can you please do this math, or who can do this math? What is the, relation? And what can be done here? Please let me know. What is the combination do we have here? Okay, very good. Alpha minus beta, yes, we have alpha minus beta. Though it is beta minus alpha, forget it. Oh, I'm sorry, it is not, not like that. Anyway, is it okay? Up to this, it is okay?
Sir, minus common নেওয়া যাবে না?
Now, wait, that's what I'm telling. Here it is sine alpha minus sine beta. It is sine beta minus sine gamma. Okay, so we don't have any relation. Another thing, you see, here what can be taken common? Here it is gamma minus beta, no gamma minus beta. Here it is beta plus gamma. We don't have any beta plus
স্যার
gamma.
আমাদের কি প্রুফ করতে হবে স্যার?
We have to prove that 2 sine alpha minus sine beta. We have to prove that 2 sine alpha minus sine beta, then sine beta minus sine gamma, then sine gamma minus sine alpha. It is our right hand side. It is our right hand side. So we see that we have this type of, right? Now, what should we do? Just let me know. You cannot, right?
স্যার স্যার রাইট সাইডে স্যার, সরি লেফট সাইডে স্যার সাইন স্কোয়ার বি মাইনাস কস স্কোয়ার আলফা হয় স্যার।
Okay, that's good formula.
জি স্যার।
হ্যাঁ।
স্যার পরেরটার ক্ষেত্রে এরকম সেম করলে পরে স্যার কমন
You are
নিলে হয়ে যায় না
you are
স্যার?
absolutely right. There is a formula in my sheet. Can you go there? Question formula number 17 and 18. Can you please go to there? Go there. Formula number 17 and 18. Do you have with it? 17 and 18. Is it with you? You see, sine A plus B and sine A minus B. That is sine A plus B and sine A minus B is equal to sine square A minus sine square B. So what we are going to write down? It is A minus B. Suppose it is A minus B and it is A plus B. You see, 2 is to sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. What is the formula? Sine square A minus sine square B. Please try to understand. Write down. And here it is sine beta minus sine gamma. Oh my God. Sine square A minus sine square B. B is alpha. I'm sorry. B is alpha. Okay. In the same way, we can write it 2 into, it is A minus B. So it is A. So it is A plus B. Okay. The same formula, sine square A minus sine square B. Sine square A. Sine square A minus sine square B. Now sine alpha minus sine beta. Can you see the board? Yes, you can see the board. Now this is your math. What can be done now? Just let me know. Can you? Perhaps you cannot. Not a matter. I'm going to show it. You see, here we can write, you see, -2. Here we can write -2 sin square alpha minus sin square beta. Perhaps we can write. I am maintaining the cyclic expression. That is sin beta. You have to follow any of the rule. Any of the rules. Okay. At first alpha, then beta, then gamma. Alpha, beta, beta, gamma. Again, it is what? Gamma, then beta. So very good. I am going to take minus common. Then we will have sin square beta minus sin square gamma. Have you seen? And here it is sin alpha minus sin beta. It is in cyclic expression. Please try to understand what I have done here. I have given emphasis on this alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha in this way. You see alpha, beta, beta, gamma is okay. Beta, gamma, alpha, beta. Now it has been easiest for you to take common. Can you please take the common? What can be taken common? Please let me know. Okay. These two can be taken common from all, right? So this is 2. Okay. Now you see sin alpha minus sin beta. This is sin alpha minus sin beta. So 2 sin alpha minus sin beta, 2 sin alpha minus sin beta has been taken common. Okay, because we can also take common here from here. Now it is what? Sin beta, sin gamma. This is sin beta, sin gamma. Our math is done. Have you seen? Sin gamma. You see here. Sin beta minus sin gamma. This is sin beta minus sin gamma. Now we are left with, can you please tell me, we are left with what? Here, please try to understand. Here, what the common we have taken? You see, sin alpha minus sin beta. Sin alpha minus sin beta has been taken common. Very good. And here, sin beta minus sin gamma. Then we are left with sin beta plus sin gamma. I have just completed this part at first because it is positive and it is negative. So positive has been taken here. So we are left with sin beta plus sin gamma, right? Now it is minus. Write down minus. Now you please write down minus. What is left here? Please let me know. What is left here? You see what has been taken common? Sin alpha minus sin beta has been taken common. So we are left with what? We are left with what? Let me know. Sin alpha plus sin beta, right? If a minus b is taken and it is a square minus b square, so we are left with a plus b. So a plus b, that is sin alpha. Sin alpha, a plus b, but there is minus. Plus a minus, minus. Minus sin beta. Talk to me. Is it okay? That is, we are getting
Yes, sir.
sin beta omitted. That means we can write here 2 sin alpha minus sin beta into sin beta minus sin gamma into sin gamma minus sin alpha. Perhaps you have got me.
Yes, sir.
Though it is the hardest one, if it is given in the exam, all of you will fail to get marks. Anyway, it needs to know trigonometry properly. Otherwise, it will be very hard for you. Anyway, this was the hardest one from this exercise, even from this book, okay? Because it needs to know too many trigonometric formulae, okay, at a time. Anyway, no hard math like this we will get in this exercise. Question number 6. You see, it is the easiest one, left hand side, that you did in class 9 and 10. This math, left hand side is equal to log x, log 2x, log 3x. Oh my god, very easy and simple. Log x, log 2x, log 3x. Okay, now it is for y and z. Okay, that's good. Log y, log 2y, log 3y. It is log z, log 2z, log 3z. Our right hand side is 0. Our right hand side is 0. Dear students, you see, we have a combination here. I mean, if I go for subtracting this and this, we'll get something. But this and this, it may be hard for you. It is x, it is y. But if we go for subtracting this to this or this to this, it will be easier. Because x and x.
Sir, row 1 আর row 2 subtract করলে তো স্যার 0 এসে পড়ে স্যার।
Okay, row 1 and row 2. Yes, you're right. You see what I'm going to do. Please try to understand. Be attentive. It is not so easy as you are thinking. Log, the operation I'm going to write down. Row 1 will be row 2 minus row 1. Row 2 will be row 3 minus row 1. Please try to understand what I have written here. Oh, I'm sorry here. It is row 2. Please try to understand. Now you can tell me this, sir, everywhere we have done row 1 equals to row 1 minus row 2. But here it is opposite because log 2x is greater than log x. Okay. So I am considering the larger one at first. Can you please tell me what is the value of log 2x minus log x?
log 2.
Okay, I want this answer from all. Log 2x minus log x equals to what? Okay, many of you may not know. It is log, as it is subtraction, so it will be division. That is xx will be omitted, so we are getting log 2. Is it okay? That means we are getting here log 2. Can you please let me know for this part what will be? For the second part, this minus this, log 3 by 2. And it is log 3x. And the interesting fact is that same thing will happen here. It is log 2. It is log 3 by 2. It is log 3y. Same thing will be happen here. Will be happening here. Log 2, log 3 by 2, log 3z. Can you please talk to me, all of you? Is there anyone here who has failed to understand?
No, sir.
It depends on subtraction, okay? This minus this. So we know it is log 2. I have seen too many students writing in the exam, log 2x minus log x equals to log x. Oh my God. Okay, sir, 2x from 2x minus x equals to x. Log 3x minus log 2x equals to log x. I don't know why they write it. Actually, it is. It is there. Now you see, we are getting in this math 2 columns. Okay. Though this column and this column are not same, please try to understand. We cannot write that it is 0 because they are different columns. They are different columns. But after that, all students, what they do, you know, they write down 0. Sir, we have got 2 same columns. No, it is not. They are not same. What is to do? You see, log 2 into log 2 into log 3 by 2. From the first row, I have taken log 2 common. That is 1, 1, 1. From the second row, I have taken log 3 by 2 common. 1, 1, 1. Now no common from the third row. Log 3x, log 3y, and log 3z. Now we see we have got two rows same now. Having two rows same, our determinant is 0. So our answer is 0. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
All of you, please try to understand.
Yes, sir.
Is it the easiest one or hardest one? It was the easiest one, okay? Now go to question number 7. Left hand side, as usual, you write down left hand side. 1 plus a, 1, 1. 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus b. Then it is again 1, 1, 1, 1 plus c. Right hand side is equal to, you see the right hand side, ABC 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B. You see what is in the right hand side. You should give emphasis on the right hand side. Actually, what is written there? There is written ABC, okay? So we can write here like this. I have to take A common, right? If I take A common from the, if I go for taking A common from the first row, you are given 1 plus A. I have to take A common. What is meant by this? Can you please let me know? It means it is A, then it is A. Am I right? Talk to me. A will be omitted. That means A will be kept as it
Yes,
is.
sir.
So it is partial fraction. Then it is 1 by A, and it is A by A equals to 1. Have you seen the pattern and get up? So I am going to take A common from the first row. From the first row, I am going to take A common. Then what will get 1 by A? Let me know, please. 1 by A plus 1. 1 by A plus 1. It is what? Only 1 by A. It is what? Only 1 by A. Talk to me, please. I have taken A common. If I multiply all by
Yes,
A,
sir.
then we will get the first row. I repeat, if I multiply all the entries of the first row, then by A, then we will get the first row of the given determinant. Okay. Now go for taking B common from the second row. So what will be here? Let me know. 1 by B. Am I right? Then here, what will be? 1 by B plus 1. Here 1 by B. Talk to me. Now you see, I am going to take C common from the third row. So it is 1 by C. It is what? Again 1 by C. And it is what? 1 by C plus 1. No side note. Actually, I have taken A common from the first row. I have taken B common from the second row. I have taken C common from the third row. Nothing else I did here. Okay. So you have to pay attention. When you can ask me why I have done, because I have ABC in the right hand side. For this, I have got already ABC. And you see here, 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. I have done 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C, and there is 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now, can you please let me know what should we do now? Farhan Ishraq,
Yes, sir.
what should we do? I have got this format, right? Okay, can I add this all? can I add these all rows? Then we will get 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. Please talk to me. I have added all. I have added all.
Yes, sir.
All the rows have been added. Okay, all the rows have been added. Then what should I get in the second column? In the second column, what should I get? Same thing. I am going to add all this. Then we can write 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C, right? And in the third column, we'll get the same, 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, and 1 by C.
স্যার এই লাইনটা আরেকবার বুঝাবেন?
Okay, of course. Of course. Okay, before that, I am going to write down everything. It is 1 by B. It is 1 by B plus 1. It is 1 by B. It is 1 by C. It is 1 by C. It is 1 by C plus 1. I am giving the side note here. You see, it is what? It is row, right? So I can write here row 1 is equal to row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. Now you try to understand. First row means this is the first row, second row, third row. These all have been added. For this part, this plus this plus this have been added. For this part, this, and this have been added. Talk to me.
জি স্যার, বুঝেছি স্যার।
Okay. Now you see, we have got our answer, right? Easily. It is ABC, and it is what? 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. Now we are lucky that we have got now 1 on 1. 1 by B. That day I told you our first target is to take 1 on 1. Now you go for subtracting from column to column.
বড় রাত 8টার সময় সেভেন্টিন ম্যাথ ক্লাস করে সবাইকে জানাবেন। হ্যাঁ, বড় রাত 8টার সময় যে ম্যাথ ক্লাস নেবেন ক্লাস 7 সবাইকে জানিয়ে দিন। এখানে গ্রুপে লিখেন আর সবাইকে জানিয়ে দিন। সব সমস্ত ক্লাস টিচার যা সবাই থাকবে।
Okay, hello everybody. Are you getting me?
जी सर।
Okay. Now what should we do? It is ABC into 1 plus,
স্যার ম্যাট্রিক্স গুলো আলাদা করে ফেললে হবে স্যার।
right? Okay, it's okay. You are not wrong. You are not wrong, but I can also do one thing more. If it is because I have not taught you how to do the math without calculating. That is called, I mean, by expanding. Okay, I
জি
have not
স্যার,
shown.
সেটা স্যার
I have
বড়
not
করে
showed you again. Anyway, but it is easy. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. Then it is 1. Okay. Now we are getting here. In the second row, this will be subtracted. Will be left minus 1. This will be subtracted. Will be left with only 1. And this is 1 by b. This will be subtracted, it is 0. This will be subtracted minus 1, and it is 1 by c plus 1. Actually, what I have done, column to column, this minus this. So column 1 is equal to column 1 minus column 2. Column 2 equals to column 2 minus column 3. Okay, now what we will do, ABC into 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by C is, if I take this one, it will be omitted. Am I right? Is it? So we'll be left with what? Minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1. Now you calculate that part. What will be the result? By calculating the determinant, we'll get minus 1, 1, minus 0. 1 minus 0 means 1. So equals to right hand side. Our math is done. If we multiply by 1, we'll get the same. And for this, that day I told you, identity. Can you remember I taught you something regarding identity? Huh? What is called identity? 0 plus A equals to A. What is the identity here? Here 0 is called the identity of summation. Okay? A into 1 equals to A. Here 1 is called the identity of multiplication. Because after multiplication, we get the same. Because after addition, we get the same. Can you remember please? AI equals to
जी
A.
सर।
AI equals to A. Where the identity of matrix here? Here I is called the identity of matrix because after multiplying with A, we get the same A. For this here I is called the identity of matrix. That day I taught you. Can you remember?
Yes sir।
Farhan Ishtaq was absent that day. Anyway, question number 3-1. Okay, you can do it by yourself. Do it within 1 minute. 1 1 1 1 1 plus x. It is 1. Then 1 1 1 1 1 1 plus y. Okay, do it. We can do this math in two ways, 3 ways. Number 1, subtracting from row to row. Second rule, subtracting from column to column. Third rule, by expanding. Okay, so we are going to subtract 0 0 1. Then it is what? 1 minus 1, that is minus x. It is only x. It is 1. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus this minus y. This is 1 plus y. What I have done, column to column subtraction. Now please do it. It is done. Now, if we take 0, all 0, if we take 0, all 0, now 1 will be taken. So this and this will be omitted. So we will be left with what? Minus x, x, 0, minus y. Okay, interesting math. Now it is very interesting. What can be taken common from the first row? X can be taken common. Talk to me. X can be taken common from the first row. Can you talk or don't you know how to talk?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means you can talk. Okay, anyway, minus 1, 1. Okay, now what can be taken common from the second row? Nothing. Is there anything here to take common?
No, sir.
But there is.
Sir, y common নেওয়া যায় স্যার?
Why? That day I told you, 0 can be written. 0 into y. Suppose it can be written that it is y. 0 into y equals to y. So y can be taken common. It is 0, it is minus 1. Have you seen now?
Yes, sir.
So our result is what? Xy 1 minus 0. That is our result is xy, that is our right hand side. Very interesting math. Now, the most important math of this exercise is going to be done by me. 3, 2. Write down the most important math. Left hand side is equal to 1, 1, 1 in the same way. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Very easy and simple math, but the most important math, it is p square, and it is p square, it is p to the power 4. Okay, we are lucky that we have 1, 1, 1 both in the row and column, right? Now, what will you do at first? Let me know. You will go for subtracting. Okay, subtract 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. This is 1. Okay. 1 minus p, 1 minus p. P minus p square. Very good. P minus p square. This is p square. 1 minus p square. 1 minus p square. P square minus p4. P square minus p4. It is what? P to the power 4. Actually, what I have done, column to column has been subtracted. That is new column 1 is equal to column 1 minus column 2. New column 2 is equal to column 2 minus column 3. Okay, now do it by yourself. Have you copied it? Now you see one thing. It is 0, 0, 1. Its position value is positive. So that is, if I consider this one now, this and this will be omitted. So we'll be left with 1 minus p, 1 minus p square. Here, what is that? P into 1 minus p. Here we are left with p square into 1 minus p square. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Yamin, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rohini is not there?
Yes, sir.
I have not got you today. Anyway, so from the first row, we can take 1 minus p common, right? From the first row, we are taking 1 minus p common. Okay. And from the second row, we are going to take 1 minus p square common, right? So 1 minus p, then it is 1, it is p. It is 1, it is p square. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then from the second column, I can take p common. That is p into 1 minus p into 1 minus p square. It is 1, 1, 1p. Right? Now, what can be written here? P into 1 minus p, 1 minus p square, p minus 1. Now you see, here it is 1 minus p, here it is p minus 1. There's a confusion. So we have to see the proof. In the proof, what they did, you know, they have taken everywhere p at first. P at first. Okay. So here it is 1 at first, 1 at first. So I will take minus 1 common. You see what can be written here. We can write here p. If I take minus common, p minus 1. If I take minus common, p square minus 1. Those minus will be positive. Please talk to me. Here minus can be taken common. Here minus can be taken common. Minus will be positive. Okay. Now you see it can be written p minus 1 whole square into p square minus 1. Math is done. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Another math, that is question number 3 of this exercise. Left hand side as usual, a 1 a square, then it is 1 a square a4, 1 a square a4. Do it. A 1 a square, it's okay, the math is done. Okay, now what can be done here? From here, or okay, from here a can be taken common, and from here a can be taken common. That is a into a. It is a 1 1. It is 1 1. It is a. A has been taken common, so that is 1 a. It is a cube. Is it or not? Talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
What I have done here? This is a11, a11. From this column, I have taken a common. So we are left with 1 1 a. And from this column, I have taken again a common. 1 a cube. Okay. Yes, this is the math. Now, please, can you do this math? Can you do? It is what? A square. Now, nothing is there to take common. So it's okay. You go for, what can I say to you? You go for subtracting a minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. This is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus a. This is a. Then it is 1 minus a. 1 minus a. This is a into 1 minus a square. This is a cube. What you have done? Column 1 equals to column 1 minus column 2. Column 2 is equal to column 2 minus column 3. Talk to me. In the proof, we have always a minus 1. Okay, not a matter. I can take also. Okay, you see here. If I go for multiplying, we'll get also the benefit. But you see, from this line, I can write down, I'm going to write down again, a square, a minus 1, 0, minus a minus 1. Next line, it is 0, minus a minus 1. It is minus a square minus 1. And here it is 1a cube. 1a cube. Now you see it is a square. Here a minus 1 can be taken common. If I take a minus 1 common, we will be left with 1, 0, minus 1, right? If a minus 1 is taken again common from here, it is what? 0, minus 1, minus a into a plus 1. Okay. And here it is 1 a cube. Talk to me.
G,
Have you got
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what can we do? It is a square. It is a minus 1 whole square. Now we'll expand it. How? I am going to take this one. So this one means this will be omitted. So we'll be left with minus 1 minus a into a plus 1 into a cube. This is 0. 0 means all are 0. Though it is the position value is minus, it is plus 1. So when I will take this one, this and this will be omitted. So we'll be left with 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1. It is minus 1 minus a into a plus 1. Okay. Now you calculate it by yourself. It is now very easy to calculate. You see a minus 1 whole square, this one no value. It is second bracket, this into this minus a cube, this into this minus minus plus a square plus a. This is this into this 0 minus minus plus plus minus minus 1. Okay. So what we are getting here, a square, a minus 1 whole square. Here it is what? I don't know what is there. In the answer, there is a square minus 1. Am I wrong anywhere? A square into a minus 1 whole square. A square minus 1. We are wrong somewhere.
Sir, a into minus a square into a. So minus a cube হওয়ার কথা না এখানে?
Oh, yes, you're right. This one, right? Okay, you're right. What will be there? A square. A square into a, it is a cube. You're right. Then
ঠিক আছে তো?
a and it is a square. Now it is okay. Is it? Now it is okay. Actually, we are mistaken only this part. It is a cube will be omitted. So we are left with a square minus 1. And it is our right hand side, math is done. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
a into minus a square হবে না? So, মানে sir,
Just
minus
wait.
a-
In the formula, there is another minus. In the formula, we have minus. This into this, minus this into this. That minus this minus will make positive. Okay, have you copied it? Now see another math, question number 4. Left hand side, you can do it at home. 1 plus x1, x1, x1. It is x2, 1 plus x2, x2. It is x3, x3, 1 plus x3. It is the left hand side. Your right hand side is right hand side 1 plus x1, x2, x3. This is the right hand side. That means we have to get this format at first. Yes, it can be obtained if I go for adding all. You see, if I go for adding all, we'll get this. If I go for adding all, we'll get this. Have you seen? If I go for adding all, again we'll get this. Am I right? So what should we do?
Yes, sir.
You write down 1 plus x1 plus x2 plus x3. You write down without any hesitation. You write down without any hesitation. Go for writing it. Then here it is x2. Here 1 plus x2. It is x2. Here it is x3. Here it is x3. 1 plus x3. Actually, what we have done? Actually, we have got the first column. First column has been obtained by adding column 1, column 2, and column 3. Okay. First column has been obtained by adding column 1 and column 2 and column 3. But if you go for adding rows, your math won't be. Because it will be then 1 plus 3x1, 1 plus 3x2, 1 plus 3x3. It will be, but you have to expand it, okay? It will take time to complete that math. Okay. Now, what should we do? Let me know. 1 plus x1, x2, x3 can be taken common from the first column. 1, 1, 1, and we are lucky that we have 1 on 1. x2, 1 plus x2, x2, x3, x3. Now, dear students, you please complete this math because you have already got 1, 1, and 1. Do it. Don't take time. I want to see who can do it at first.
স্যার কি করব স্যার?
You prove this. It will be 1.
স্যার এটা এক্সপ্যান্ড করে দিলেই হয় স্যার।
Okay, do it. One plus x1, x2, x3. You see, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, it is 1. This minus this, so it is minus 1. This minus this, it is 1. It is x2. This minus this,
স্যার
it is.
স্যার এটা এইভাবে না করে স্যার এক্সপ্যান্ড করে দিলে হয় না স্যার?
I know, but it will take time. But here the math is done. You see, is it? It has taken only one line, and actually, I have not taught all how to expand yet because it is afterwards. Anyway, now what you are going to take 1. If it is 1, this will be omitted. That means it is -1 plus 1, and it is 1. It is 1. So we have got our right hand side. Okay, we have got our right hand side. Farhanishak, you expand it, it will take time.
স্যার
Okay.
কেন স্যার?
Because you will get suppose 1 on 1, x2, x2, x2. Okay.
জি
You
স্যার
see, so
ওখানে
this part will be 0. Now for another part, 1 on 1, it will be x2, 1, x2. Yes, x3, x3, 1. Then how you'll do it? Then you have to again calculate the same calculation I have done here. You see, I know, I have seen, huh? Okay. Now, everybody, you have time, okay? It is not that you are busy now. I am not getting any answer from you.
স্যার 5:30টায় আরেকটা ক্লাস আছে।
Okay. 4-1. তো কি করবে? আমি কি ছেড়ে দিব নাকি? You are only 6 minutes left. Let me know. A minus B minus C to be then it is twice C, then it is 2A, B minus C minus A, it is twice C, it is 2A, 2B, it is C minus A minus B. Okay, your right hand side is A plus B plus C whole cube. You all are required to do this as homework.